In today's video, we're going to explore a VPN that ensures both speed and security, which are crucial for smooth gaming, browsing, and streaming. While there are countless VPNs available, many of them fall short in terms of performance, especially when it comes to gaming. That's why today, I'll be introducing you to Sky VPN. Whether you're a gamer or someone who just wants fast and secure browsing, Sky VPN offers both a free and premium mode for a seamless experience. Let's dive into how you can set it up and enjoy its features. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is download and install Sky VPN. Head to the Play Store and search for Sky VPN. Once you find the app, tap on it to install. It will only take a few minutes to download and install. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and launch the app, and you'll be greeted with the home screen. Step 2. Next, you need to create an account if you don't already have one. To do this, tap the hamburger icon on the top left corner to access more settings. From there, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Simply enter a valid email address and password to get started. Step 3. Once you're logged in, you'll see a pop-up offering a 7-day free trial for the premium version of Sky VPN. Tap on the button to claim your free trial. To get the free trial, you'll need to have a credit card with at least $1 in it. Enter your card details, and you'll enjoy 1 week of premium service absolutely free. Keep in mind that some versions of the app may not support the free trial, so make sure your app version is up to date. Step 4. If you prefer not to use the free trial, don't worry, you can still access the premium services. To do this, simply switch from basic mode to premium mode. This will grant you access to limited premium data by watching a short video ad. Step 5. One of the highlights of Sky VPN is its fast servers. To find a server, just tap on Server to see both free and premium servers. You'll also find dedicated gaming and streaming servers available, so you can pick the one that best suits your needs. Feel free to experiment with different servers for the fastest and most secure connection. Step 6. If you want to enjoy unlimited access to fast and secure servers, you can subscribe to Sky VPN's premium plan. You can opt for a monthly or yearly subscription to get uninterrupted, fast, and secure internet. Step 7. Once you've selected your server, it's time to start your VPN connection. Choose the fastest server for your needs. If one server is too slow or doesn't work well for you, simply try another. When you're ready, tap the large Start button to activate the VPN. Conclusion, and that's it. You are now ready to enjoy fast, secure browsing, gaming, and streaming with Sky VPN. Whether you choose the free version or upgrade to premium, Sky VPN offers a reliable solution for all your internet needs.